What's going on, you guys? Thanks for tuning into today's episode. As you've seen, we started this and got it running. Cool. What I've been doing, which I didn't film, but what I have been doing is putting some clamps on the couplers, taking it for short little test drives, seeing if there's any leaks, kind of boring, mundane stuff, but also kind of just testing for boost. You know, that's been my big issue, and I know a lot of you guys are just out there laughing. That's fantastic. I'm gonna work through it. So let's see. So as you guys know, we're running an external wastegate. The turbos are normally internally wastegated. We could not utilize the internal wastegates because we had to clock the compressor housing, right? Changes the actuator rod geometry, if you will. So what I ended up doing was propping the little rod here closed. So for reference, I got another housing. So this is the internal wastegate. If you have this open, it's not going to let all the exhaust gases through the turbine to spin, so you need it shut. So what I did was take a spring, and I hooked it through there, and guess what? I got boost. But the issue was, well, issue to be determined, but I'm pretty sure it was, under full load, this spring was actually stretching and opening the little internal wastegate. So I got boost, not a lot of it, but I got it to work. I also had this wastegate completely blocked off just to eliminate wastegate issues. So with the external wastegate blocked off and the internal wastegates springed up, if we will, I was able to see about 4 pounds. So what I did now is remove the spring, and I tacked the little rods here. As you can see that one. So they're shut now. I'm sure they can pass a little bit of exhaust gases, but I'm thinking that was my issue. I put one of the smallest springs back in the wastegate, so theoretically it should be like maybe 5-6 pounds, maybe 7, I don't know, to be determined. So that's kind of where we're at with it. Just need to test drive it. I started misfiring a little bit under load last night when I was driving it, which I'm thinking is this plug wire here got a little too close to the manifold. So I'll just fix that issue and then go for another test drive. So hopefully the next little segment is driving, see if we can hit boost. I gotta say, these little guys sound pretty gnarly. No blow off valve, guys, no blow off valve, nothing down by the intercooler. I don't run one in my 4Runner either, never had an issue. If I were to go past like 10 pounds, I'd probably put one in, but till then, nah. So yeah, next segment. Well guys, we're test driving again, but this is what you gotta do, right? Fix some stuff and go back and forth with it. I'm gonna be driving to a location where I can visually kind of explain to you what I did here, but I went over to Davis's house and we got boost. It's about pounds, and felt pretty good. Made some super cool noises, but as we drove it, the more I drove it, the more he drove it, we started to lose boost. The weird thing was that the wastegate was, the external wastegate was completely blocked off, right? So what is going on? I tacked the internal wastegate arms on the outside. I noticed there was still like a little bit of play, like they could still crack open a little bit, but it was just, the boost was bleeding off like crazy. And God, it's just one thing after another. But I really want to get this twin turbo set up to work, you know, to make boost. I'm not trying to make huge numbers. I'm just trying to make boost, make some cool noises, have fun with the car. So I think I got it. Audibly, the car sounds better. You can hear a lot more turbo whistle just driving, like normal acceleration. So that's super cool. God dang, this thing sounds so nuts. I put the softest wastegate spring back in the external wastegate, so it was cracking open at like 3 psi, maybe, but 2, maybe 3. Holy crap. It sounds so cool. You can hear both of them wind down. You let off when it's in boost and it has that like screech. Oh my God. I don't know where this road goes, but we're just gonna sit back here. Let me show you guys what I did. Okay, so as you guys remember, I tacked it, and I tacked it. This one actually, the flapper door moved open. Obviously, my weld did not penetrate like it should have, but yeah. So the little internal wastegate flapper door opened and was just relieving all the boost pressure. So the little internal flapper door, I welded, it's like 1/3 of the way closed, and that's really all I could get to. But I turned that temperature way up and just got a nice fat slug on there, and boom, we have boost. So I think what I'm gonna do now, which is, I know this isn't the smartest way of doing this, I don't really recommend it, but I'm gonna pull this wastegate line so we can see if we have all the boost, see if we have more issues. If the boost still cuts off at 2 psi, there's still some issues. So here we go. Wish me luck. Wastegate line. There we go. This is just for the boost gauge. So here we go. While I'm here, I may as well get some revs for you, right? Nice. All right, so we're gonna go see see if we can make all the boost. I'm gonna be holding the phone, showing you the boost gauge, just to show that it's making boost. So, forgive me if the video's a little terrible, a little shaky. I'm gonna do what I can here. All right. I might have blown a coupler off or something, but felt like I hit a boost cut. Maybe my foot slipped off the gas, I don't know, but god dang. Woo, man, she sounds nasty, boys. Holy crap, man, it literally, it's like 90 degrees right now, and I have goosebumps. Like, look at that. Ugh, that is a feeling of success at this point. Oh man, I've been defeated and defeated and defeated. Honestly, we're starting to talk about changing up the setup, the location of the turbos. I really didn't want to, so I am ecstatic that this worked. Woo! Oh my god, that thing sounds wild, my guy. Jesus. Woo! Holy. Man. All I gotta say is thank you to all the people that didn't believe and hated. We got boost. Son of a gun. Good night, boys.